So now you have watched 3 examples. I hope the video lecture is helpful. Now let's try some practice problems. If you want to add a new state to the existing state machine in the LC3 without modifying the data path, would these two of the following state be possible? Now you can pause the video and work on each of the problems and check back with the answers. Now let's check answers. Let's do the one on the left first. So for the first one, we want to store PC into MAR. PC is here. Again, MAR is down here. To do that, we need to use the bus, this route. And we need to open this gate right here to be 1, and we need to enable the load for that to be 1. And for the second one, we're adding SR1 and SR2 and store into PC. SR1 is here. We need to select SR1 using this, and we need to select SR2 using this. And so the two data need to come down to the ALU. We need to select SR2 max to be 0 so that this data comes down. And we need to select the appropriate ALUK. In this case, addition is 0, 0. The two-bit data comes down here. Now there's where the problem comes in. You cannot have two data on the same bus. There will be a conflict. But for this step, you already have the PC going to MAR using this bus. So this data cannot come here, which means these two instructions cannot be finished in one cycle, which means this state is not possible. Let's try the second case. We are storing PC into MAR and SR1 to PC. Let's go back to the data path. For the first step, PC is going to MAR like last time. PC is here, MAR is here. PC goes to MAR using this route. This gate is open, this load is open. Now for the second part, we're storing SR1 into PC. In this case, we can choose not to use the ALU because this bus is already being used. For this time, we can choose to use this mux in here. We can put adder 1 mux to be 1, and let's choose this to be 0, so that there's no other things add into the data of SR1. So let's choose adder 2 mux to be 0, 0. So the 0 will come in here, add with our SR1, which means basically SR1. SR1 come out and goes into PC mux. Let's choose PC mux to be 1, 0. Let the data come out and enable load PC. The new PC will be loaded into PC. So this state is possible. Let's try one more question. How would you modify the data path so that the following would be a possible state in the LC3? Again, you can pause the video and work on the problem. Okay, again, let's go back to the data path. We're storing PC into MAR. Also, at the same time, we're adding SR1 and SR2 and replace that to the PC. So, as we did before, we can see PC is here and MAR is down here. In order to send PC to MAR, we need to use this bus in here. So, if you want to do the second operation, which is SR1 plus SR2, we need to use ALU to do the plus operation, which means SR1 and SR2 will come down here. We can select SR2 mux to be 0, so that it uses the SR2 out data. But the problem here is this thing cannot go onto the bus because the bus is already being used by the PC. So what we can actually do is we can add a new line from the output of ALU and add it to this PC mux to make it 4-bit mux. maybe we can call that input 3, and we can select PC mux to be 1 1 to let this output come back to PC.